Add or remove tenants to lease agreement. Date. Property address. Remaining tenants. Departing tenants. New tenants. Tenants are parties to the lease agreement dated, for the leased period of, 2, for the property identified above. Tenants desire to add one or more new tenants or remove one or more existing tenants. Tenants and landlord are willing to allow the addition or removal of tenants on the following terms. Addition of tenants on lease, applicable, non-applicable. 1. Name of new tenants. 2. Date the new tenants will occupy the property. 3. New tenants must complete a rental application and screening process. 4. New tenants has read the lease agreement and all other documents pertaining to the leasing of the property and agrees to fully adhere to all rules and regulations therein. 5. New tenants agrees that he/she will be jointly and severally responsible with the other tenants for all obligations under the lease agreement, from the date set forth in Section 2 or the date he/she occupies the property. 6. All tenants agree that upon termination of the lease agreement and vacation of the property, landlord will issue any security deposit refund check in the name of remaining tenant, and it is the obligation of the tenants to split accordingly. Upon signing of this addendum, tenants fully understand and agree upon that the landlord has no responsibility or obligation to help split the security deposit amongst the tenants once given to the above-named tenant. 7. Nothing contained herein changes the obligations of the existing tenants. 8. Roommates are jointly and severally responsible for the entire amount of rent. This means that if one roommate doesn't pay his or her portion of the rent, it is still due and payable in full from the other roommates. Free preview end. Purchase required to gain total access. Visit www.propmanagementforms.com to purchase Property Management Forms package.